Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can follow someone on your Etoro. To do so, first of all, just go into your Google Chrome browser and log in into your Etoro account like I already did. After that, you'll be on the home page. From here, simply search for the account you want to follow. For example, this account. Here you'll be able to see, after going on into their account, their overview, their status, their portfolio, and as well as their charts. Here if you go into overview, you can see their performance and many more information about their profile. If you go into stats, again there will be more information about their profile and how they do day-to-day trading. If you go into their portfolio, you can see all of this information available. Now if you like your portfolio, their stats, or over all their profile, you can simply click on this three lines button here and click on add to your new list, and after that you'll be able to see them directly from your ad list as well. And after adding on to the ad list, you'll be notified directly of if they made any changes into their profile, or you can also check easily without searching up on their profile. And that's how you can add someone on your Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.